What if I told you scientists created something that moves forever, without using energy? No battery, no fuel, no stopping. And they built it using quantum computers. This is called a time crystal, one of the strangest discoveries in modern physics. And recently, scientists didn't just create one. They connected it to the real world, and even built new versions that seem to break the rules of physics. In normal crystals, like diamonds or salt, atoms are arranged in a repeating pattern in space. That's what makes them a crystal. But a time crystal is different. Instead of repeating in space, it repeats in time. That means the system moves in a pattern, returns to the same state over and over again. And here's the key part. It does this without using energy. Normally, if something is moving, it must be losing energy. A swinging pendulum slows down. A spinning top stops. Even atoms eventually settle into equilibrium. But time crystals don't behave like that. They exist in a special state called non-equilibrium phase of matter. This means they are not in their lowest energy state, but they also don't decay or lose energy over time. Instead, they are constantly driven in a controlled way and respond by forming a stable, repeating rhythm. Imagine you tap a jelly repeatedly. Normally, it would just follow your taps exactly, but a time crystal does something stranger. You tap it at a steady rhythm, and it responds at a different rhythm, but perfectly stable. It locks into its own timing. In one breakthrough, scientists used a quantum computer to create a time crystal. They programmed qubits to interact in a precise pattern. Instead of becoming random, which quantum systems usually do, they synchronized into this repeating motion. The quantum computer didn't just calculate something. It became the experiment. At first, time crystals were extremely fragile. Any interaction with the outside world would destroy them. But recently, scientists managed to connect a time crystal to external systems while keeping its structure intact. This is a huge step toward actually using them. In 2026, researchers created a time crystal using sound waves. They levitated tiny particles and made them interact in unusual ways. The result? A stable, repeating system that behaves like a time crystal, even outside traditional quantum setups. Time crystals could help stabilize quantum computers, store information longer, build ultra-precise sensors. They might even become a key building block of future technology. So, this is the reality now. We've created systems that repeat forever in time, without losing energy, and we're learning how to control them. And if we can control time-like patterns in matter, what else are we about to discover?